Hello, everyone. Welcome to our Slow English podcast. Today's lesson is called English Listening Confidence. This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can relax. You can listen carefully. You can build confidence. Take a deep breath, breathe in, and breathe out. Good. Let's begin. Maybe the words sound strange, but do not worry. Confidence grows with practice. If you listen every day, your ears will become stronger. Repeat after me. I listen to English every day. Pause. I feel more confident. Pause. My listening is improving. Very good. Part 2. Slow listening practice. Now just listen. Do not repeat yet. I sit in a quiet place. I play an English podcast. I listen carefully. Listen again. I sit in a quiet place. I play an English podcast. I listen carefully. Good. Now repeat after me. I sit in a quiet place. Pause. I play an English podcast. Pause. I listen carefully. Excellent. Part 3. Easy listening words. Now let's learn some useful words. Listen first. Confidence, practice, voice, sound, understand. Now repeat. Confidence, practice, voice, sound, understand. Great. Now let's make sentences. I practice listening every day. Pause. I hear the speaker's voice. Pause. I understand more English. Repeat with me. Very good. Part 4. Short conversation. Now listen to a simple conversation. A. Hello. B. Hello. A. Are you learning English? B. Yes, I am. A. Do you practice listening? B. Yes, I listen every day. Now repeat. Hello. Pause. Are you learning English? Pause. Yes, I am. Pause. I listen every day. Excellent. Now say the conversation together. Hello. Hello. Are you learning English? Yes, I am. Do you practice listening? Yes, I listen every day. Great job. Part 5. Listening story. Now listen to a short story. This is Sarah. Sarah wants to improve her English listening. At first, she feels nervous. English sounds fast to her. She cannot understand many words. But Sarah starts listening to slow English. She listens in the morning, she listens in the evening, she repeats simple sentences. Slowly, her ears become stronger. She understands more words. Now Sarah feels confident. Now answer these questions. Who wants to improve listening? Pause. Sarah. Does Sarah listen every day? Pause. Yes. Does she feel confident now? Pause. Yes, she does. Very good. Part 6. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions aloud. When do you listen to English? Pause. How many minutes do you practice? Pause. Do you feel more confident now? Pause. Good job. Now repeat these sentences. I listen carefully. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. My confidence is growing. Excellent. Part 7. Daily listening plan. Let's make a simple plan. Step 1. Listen for 10 minutes. Step 2. Repeat 5 sentences. Step 3. Speak 3 sentences. This small plan helps your confidence grow. Repeat after me. I listen every day. Pause. I repeat sentences. Pause. I speak English slowly. Very good. Part 8. Relaxed listening. Now just listen and relax. Confidence grows slowly. Every day you listen, your ears learn new sounds. Every day you practice, your brain understands more. Do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Small practice every day creates strong skills. You are improving now. Be proud of yourself. Final practice. Repeat these sentences. I can understand English. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. My listening confidence is growing. Wonderful. Closing. Thank you for listening today. Remember, listening practice builds confidence. Practice every day. Listen slowly. Improve step by step. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.